Hello, welcome to another video. Before we proceed, I would just like to ask everyone to like and subscribe, and that'll help me grow the channel more. Also, I'm just trying to do this in my spare time and with my own money. So today I'm doing a review, or should I say an unboxing today, and then a review to follow of a Shark handheld vacuum cleaner. And I'll be honest, the only handheld vacuum cleaner that I've ever used is an old one that was bought me years ago from Argos. I think it was like £10, which is not very good. But it does get used periodically. So this is the Shark WonderVac 2.0. This is not the one with the extended runtime where it comes with 2 batteries. This is just the one with 1 battery. There are, as far as I can see on the Shark website, there are no differences in performance between the 2 models. It's just that the one has 2 batteries and this one just comes with 1. So this is the premium model. This comes with obviously a charging dock and 2 attachments, and the cleaner itself. Obviously the box says up to 15 minutes. We'll see. For reference, the model number is a wV270UK. So inside the box we've got a charging base, we've got a handheld vacuum cleaner, we've got the upholstery tool, and we've got the duster and crevice tool. So the instruction booklet. So this instruction booklet gives you some tips, also gives you information on what to do relating to charging, and warranty information as well, registering and how to empty your vacuum cleaner. There is a filter inside this vacuum cleaner which is removable. You can buy replacements, but you can also wash the filter, which I'll turn it on in the bag. Well, they've definitely charged it. So there we go. Whoops a daisy. We know it works. There's a charging piece there. Again, as you can see, Shark do everything with paper, so even the soft paper inside. Okay, probably because I turned it on, so I've got it covered in paper. As you can see, there's the empty the bin there, so you can open it up and you empty the bin. So the object of that is you hover it over the bin, and then you just press that and it pops out. So we know that there's power there. The battery is removable, so you can hold those 2 buttons down there and take the battery off and then put the battery back on. You can buy replacement batteries, so if you wanted to, you could buy a spare battery. If that's something that you think that you need, then buying the higher model, buying the other model which comes with 2 batteries, might have been the best option. I don't think I'm going to need 2 batteries because I plan on leaving it on the base when it's not in use, so it should always be at maximum charge. So as you can see, there's a base where it just sits on. There's a crevice tool which has got the fold out brush. I have heard some people saying that when they bought it they don't have that attachment on it. The only thing I can think of is that they haven't bought the premium model, and that's the reason why it hasn't come with a fold out brush. They do a base model which doesn't seem to come with all the tools. There's our upholstery tool. It's got quite soft on here. so you could use that for delicate surfaces, potentially a television. I'm not sure, but I can't see damaging the TV. But if you have got that kind of dust over your TV, then maybe you should be using a damp cloth to wipe it out. So this is a base here. This obviously is designed to attach to here. You get it lined up properly. Okay. We'll put the cable in that hole first, and then it won't get in the way. When you're fitting this base together, you just have to make sure you align it properly, and that when you do it, that the cable is not in the way. There's a little channel for you to put the cable in, so once you've done it, you can push the cable into the channel, like so. I haven't really got nails for it. But yeah, it's in now, yeah. So what we would do is we would get rid of this rubbish. So what we would do is grab this tool and the upholstery tool, and then if it's stable enough, look where the contacts are charging. It sits in there like that. So obviously, as you can see, it looks quite neat. It's out the way, doesn't look untidy really. It would sit on a worktop. I mean, in my case, I'm probably going to look at putting it on a desk or something. And it'll be a go-to thing for quick use. So I'll report back to you guys, let you know how it goes on testing. I mean, you have to be aware of as well, this is not designed for liquids. This is not to be used with any form of spillages as such. This is all dry, so if you spilt rice, you could use it to suck up your rice. You know, any form of dry mess. So, but if you had anything that was liquid based, this is not the kind of vacuum cleaner for it. It's not designed for liquids. Any queries, questions, by all means get back in touch with me. I'll be happy to try and help. I'll do another video in the next few days once I've had time to use the product and test it, and I'll look at doing some demonstrations on it as well. The booklet is very helpful actually on how to use it. It's quite you know, very well laid out with the diagrams, etc., and how to remove the filter. Before we end the video, I will just point out the filter. The filter is inside here. It's there. So it's quite straightforward to empty this vacuum cleaner. If you see what I did there, I just moved the filter up, and there's the filter in there, and there's a little thing to pull it out with there. The filter obviously is something that you can wash it if you need to, but with all filters, with any vacuum cleaner, if you do wash it with water, then you have to give it a good 24 hours or more to totally dry before you put it in the unit. I think that's it for the unboxing. Only thing I will say about Shark, as always, they've all been very considerate with the environment, and the packaging is minimal, and it's all biodegradable packaging, which can go into your recycling waste, which which is also very helpful. One thing I will say actually about Shark, I purchased this directly from the Shark website. I didn't go to any third parties. I would like to say one thing with Shark so far, that I've been very pleased with the products that I've used so far from Shark, but also the delivery time. The courier that I've had obviously is DPD. I ordered this yesterday and I've had it today, so I would say just under 24 hours and I've had it delivered, so I think it's excellent delivery. So and that seems to be the same I've had with all Shark products that I bought directly from Shark, so very pleased with the delivery there. Anyway, yeah, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and I'll look at doing some demo videos and give you some feedback on this. Yeah, speak to you soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.